Good morning, students. In this lecture, we are going to study classification of fixatives. Dear students, in previous lecture, we studied what is meant by the fixatives, merits of an ideal fixatives. In this lecture, we are going to study classification of fixatives. Fixatives may be classified in a number of ways on the basis of chemical substances. The chemical substances which are used for the preparation of fixatives, they are oxidizing substances, they are reducing substances, they are acidic substances, they are basic substances. This means that the substances which is commonly used for the preparation of fixatives having different chemical behavior, and on the basis of chemical behavior of the substances or ingredient of the fixatives are broadly classified into the number of ways. Some are used in solution form singly, some are used in solution in combinations. That means the some fixatives consist of only one type of chemical or ingredient, while some of the fixatives consist of two or more than two chemicals or ingredients. Generally, when a fixative contains a mixture of two or more chemical substances, the object is of this that the certain ingredients of the fixative shall compensate for fixation deficiencies of the others. That means, when two or more ingredients are present in a fixative, the one ingredient having some sort of the fixation deficiencies, and these fixation deficiencies are completed by the other ingredient present in the same fixatives. Conventionally, the fixatives are grouped as routine fixative and special fixatives. Routine fixatives are commonly used for general use, while special fixatives are used for a specific use. On the basis of their effect on protein content of the tissues and cells, the fixatives are broadly classified into the two different categories: coagulant and non-coagulant type of fixatives. Coagulant type of fixatives are also known as precipitant type of fixatives, and non-coagulant type of fixatives are also described as non-precipitant type of fixatives. The coagulation of proteins may occur as a result of either formation of an insoluble compound when a fixative, for example mercury chloride, combines with proteins. Second, when a fixative, for example alcohol, without combining with proteins results in their denaturation, that is a change, usually a decrease in the solubility of proteins. The non-coagulant type of fixatives invariably form some additional compounds when they combine with proteins. The two categories of the fixatives are depicted in table 3.1. This is the table 3.1 consists of names and chemical formulae of the two types of the fixatives, coagulant and non-coagulant type of fixatives. The coagulant type of fixatives are alcohol, acetone, chromic acid, mercury chloride, picric acid, trichloroacetic acid, while the non-coagulant type of fixatives are formalin, osmium tetroxide, potassium dichromate. Table 3.2 consists of fixation time, merits and demerits of important coagulant and non-coagulant type of fixatives. First of all, we will dealing with coagulant type of fixatives. Acetic acid, chemical formulae CH3COOH, fixation time up to 1 hour, merits best fixative for nuclei, counteract the shrinking effect of other fixatives. Demerits, pronounced swelling effect mainly on white connective tissue. Second, distorts mitochondria and Golgi bodies of the cells and tissues. Second, acetone, chemical formula CH3COCH3, fixation period approximately 1 hour at room temperature, 24 hour at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. Merits, best fixative for certain enzymes like acid phosphatase and lipase enzymes. Third coagulant type of fixative is ethyl alcohol, chemical formulae C2H5OH, fixation period 15 to 30 minute, merits best for alkaline phosphatase and lipase enzymes. Demerits are pronounced hardening effect on tissues. Second, too much shrinkages. Third, improper fixation of chromatin. Fourth, distorts mitochondria and Golgi body. The fourth type of coagulant fixative is chromic acid. Fixation period is few hours. Merits good fixative for carbohydrates. Demerits powerful and rapid hardening with brittleness. Washing with tap water for several hours is required after dehydration. Picric acid is the another kind of coagulant type of fixative, chemical formula C6H2ON23OH, fixation time 3 to 4 hour. Merits alcoholic solution are good fixative for proteins and carbohydrates. Staining becomes better. Demerits much shrinkage but less hardening. Lipids decrease and seriously alter. Can explode when dry. Mercury chloride HgCl2 is the chemical formula. Merits good fixative for proteins and demerits are fairly great shrinkage effect on cytoplasm. Staining is hinder and corrosive for metals. The second type of fixative is non-coagulant type of fixatives. First example, formalin CHOH is the chemical formula of the formalin. Fixation time 1 to 2 days. Merits good fixation of lipid complexes, little shrinkage of tissues, helps staining with hematoxylin. Demerits mainly includes pronounced hardening effect on tissues, although does not harden albumin but hamper its hardening by alcohol during dehydration, render staining with acid dyes not suitable for fixation of mammalian testes since causes much shrinkage, pronounced irritation of conjunctiva and mucous membrane. Potassium dichromate chemical formula K2Cr2O7, fixation time 3 to 7 days. Merits excellent fixation of phospholipids, mitochondria and myelin. Second, improve staining of mitochondria. Third, iron containing pigments are better fixed at higher pH. Demerits chromatin gets dissolved, mitochondria fix well but tend to thicken. Osmium tetrachloride chemical formula OSO4. Merits valuable for fixation of cytoplasmic organelles. Demerits first, tissues become very friable. Second, nuclei are not well fixed. Third, storage is difficult. Fourth, severe irritation of conjunctiva and bronchial tree. Tissue penetration is very poor. Cost of fixative is very high, and traces cause over blocking of tissues. This is the classification of fixatives in brief. In next lecture, we will going to study first type of the fixative, that is coagulant type of fixative, with some examples in details. Thank you very much.